You are given a knapsack that can carry a maximum weight of 60. There are 4 items with weights 20, 30, 40, 70 and values 70, 80, 90 to 100. What is the maximum value of the items you can carry using the knapsack? A. 160. B. 200. C. 170. D. 90. The correct answer is 160. Which of the following methods can be used to solve the knapsack problem? A. Brute force algorithm. B. Recursion. C. Dynamic programming. D. Brute force recursion and dynamic programming. The correct answer is brute force recursion and dynamic programming. The knapsack problem is an example of A. Greedy algorithm. B. 2D dynamic programming. C. 1D dynamic programming. D. Divide and conquer. The correct answer is 2D dynamic programming. What is the time complexity of the brute force algorithm used to solve the knapsack problem? A. O(n), B. O(n), C. O(2n), D. O(n)(3). The correct answer is O(2n). The 0-1 knapsack problem can be solved using greedy algorithm. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is false. Which of the following problems is equivalent to the 0-1 knapsack problem? A. You are given a bag that can carry a maximum weight of W. You are given n items which have a weight of W1, W2, W3, Wn and a value of V1, V2, V3, Vn. You can break the items into smaller pieces. Choose the items in such a way that you get the maximum value. B. You are studying for an exam and you have to study n questions. The questions take T1, T2, T3, Tn time in hours and carry M1, M2, M3, Mn marks. You can study for a maximum of T hours. You can either study a question or leave it. Choose the questions in such a way that your score is maximized. C. You are given infinite coins of denominations V1, V2, V3, Vn and a sum S. You have to find the minimum number of coins required to get the sum S. D. You are given a suitcase that can carry a maximum weight of 15 kilograms. You are given 4 items which have a weight of 10, 20, 15, 40 and a value of 1, 2, 3, 4. You can break the items into smaller pieces. Choose the items in such a way that you get the maximum value. The correct answer is you are studying for an exam and you have to study n questions. The questions take T1, T2, T3, Tn time in hours and carry M1, M2, M3, Mn marks. You can study for a maximum of T.